What are you doing? That's your dog. Oh, Grandma wants to see you walk. Let me see you. Let me see this puppy. Let me see this puppy. Let me see the puppy. Uh-oh. He's behind the chair. You better go get him. Yeah, go get him. Yeah. Where is he? I think he's back here. Look. Look at the puppy. Here he is. There's your puppy. Oh, jeez. Careful. Did you get your puppy? Oh. Okay, come here. Come get him. There's my puppy. Ah. Want some privacy? You need some privacy? You don't want anybody in your room? You don't want anybody else in your room? So nobody else is here. We gotta get ready to go bye-byes. Yeah, we gotta go bye-byes. Come here. Come here. Come see your mom. I got the puppy. My puppy. My puppy. Really infatuated with that door, huh? Acer, in just about a month, he'll probably be able to reach that dumb doorknob. Come here, puppy. Look at it. I got your puppy. I got him. You better come and get 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 him. All right, good job. Is that your crib? That's what he does. He reaches for a sucky. Are you Hey! You're not supposed to have a sucky if you're not in your crib. Oh, you are sneakies. You are sneaky.